I was a curious child. My father recounts a story about how at the end of a long day, I wanted to ask my mother another question. And she said to me, "Shane, I just don't think I can answer another question today." And my response to her was, "But Mom, if I don't ask questions, how will I ever learn?" As scientists, asking questions and doggedly pursuing the answers to those questions is fundamental to our process. It's how we learn. I'm going to tell you a little story about how asking these questions and the persistence in answering those questions can teach us something about how we treat a disease that will affect half of Canadians directly, and that disease is cancer. Our immune system is amazing. It can detect cancer in the body and eliminate it, but cancer is smart, and it finds ways to avoid the immune system and to hide from it. Immunotherapy is arguably the most important advance in cancer treatment in the last 50 years. And it unmasks the cancer and allows the immune system to see it again and eliminate it from the body. Unfortunately, on its own, immunotherapy, it doesn't work for all patients. My career and training has really focused on how radiation is used to kill cancer cells, and it does. About half of all cancer patients are treated with radiation with the intent to cure that patient. Unfortunately, like immunotherapy, that doesn't always work. But we asked, what if we were to combine radiation with immunotherapy? Could we make those treatments better? So we dedicated ourselves to this problem, and we found that radiation actually makes cells look like they're infected with a virus. And this is exactly what the immune system is meant to deal with. But unfortunately, as you recall, the cancer has hidden itself from the immune system. So we thought, let's add immunotherapy to that. So immunotherapy unmasks the cancer, and the radiation gives the immune system the kick it needs to eliminate that cancer from the body. Again, this doesn't work for all patients, and we're searching for reasons why. So in the lab, we showed that combining radiation with immunotherapy could make both of these treatments better and potentially bring this to more patients. We also think that this viral-like response from the radiation can trigger side effects to that therapy, and we're also searching for ways that we can mitigate this. Ultimately, our goal is to make the treatments better for patients and to minimize the side effects to improve their quality of life. This is our challenge in the lab today. 3 of my grandparents died of cancer. Of the 9 children in my father's family, 4 died with cancer, and 4 of the 5 alive today are cancer survivors. This is a testament to how far we've come, but how far we still have to go. My lab and I have dedicated ourselves to this problem because we think it's a way that we can help our families, our neighbors, and strangers. And along the way, we hope we can inspire the next generation of scientists. And when my daughter has asked me and her mother all of the questions we have the energy to ask and answer in a day, I hope she persists and looks for those answers herself. Thank you.